So hello everyone and good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in this video we will learn where to start learn English and where to start learning this language. Okay. So guys, watch this video till the end, and my humble request, if you new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the hit button. Okay, and if you want to become a fluent speaker, so guys, watch this video till the end. Don't skip this video, because in this video I will share with you, I will tell you language where we to start learning this language, and what is the most important to learn this language, vocabulary or grammar. What is the most important and what you need to learn first, grammar or vocabulary. Okay, so in this video I will share with you. So guys, watch this video till the end. Okay, so guys, if you think about it, what is the most important, vocabulary or grammar? So I would like to share with you the most important things are vocabulary. First you need to learn vocabulary, and after that you need to learn grammar. Because let's take examples. If you want to context most wonderful and most beautiful buildings, and you have only cement, you don't have any wings. So how can, so guys, you have to think how context any building. If you want to not any building, if you want to anything, you have everything, like whatever you want. If you want, अगर कोई भी आप मकान बनाना चाहते हो, तो at the time what you have to need, you need to cement, and you need to mix, you need to everything. Okay, and after that you can construct any building. If you don't have cement, you can't construct. So that is why grammar and vocabulary both are the most important to learn this language. But remember one thing, your question is मतलब पहले क्या पढ़े. जब भी आप not English, any language you want to learn, at the time first you used to think what is the most important, and आपके पास क्वेश्चन रहता है कि स्टार्ट कहाँ से करें, let me start this language. So I want to share with you guys, I want to tell you the first vocabulary. And if you don't have environment at your home, and at your home every member speak in Hindi, so guys, you need to first vocabulary. Because when you start vocabulary, and when you start learning this language with vocabulary, guys, you can communicate easily. Let's give an example. Like if you know lot of vocabulary, if you have lot of vocabulary, and if you want to, like you are hungry, and if you want to say front of any person, I am hungry and I want to something eat. If you don't know grammar rules and simple, you know lot of vocabulary, you can hungry. So front of person easily understand you are hungry. But if you don't know vocabulary, front of person unable to understand what you want to say. That is why, like you are hungry, if you will say hungry, so front of person easily understand. And if you know guys only grammar rules, if you don't have vocabulary, if you don't know any vocabulary, and if you will say I am, so front of person not understand what you want to say. Okay, that is why I am telling you the most important things are vocabulary. First lot of vocabulary you have to learn. You should learn first vocabulary, and after that you jump on grammar. Okay, grammar also important, not grammar, not vocabulary, idioms and proverb, essential word, everything is important to learn this language. But the most important question is what we learn first. The question is what should we learn first. So you should learn learn vocabulary. First you should learn vocabulary, and after that you should learn grammar. Okay, let's take another example. If you want to chapatis, Indian words, if you want to make, and you have only water, so how can you make chapatis, right? And guys, if you have water and if you have for everything you have, you can make chapatis, and you can make everything if whatever you want to do. Okay, what you want to do, you can easily do if you have everything. So that is why I mention it, guys. Guys, I want to tell you, instead of grammar, first you should learn vocabulary. You know what, when you learn vocabulary, guys, whatever you see, like sitting when you sitting at your home, when you're sitting in your room, and whatever you will see, like your books, table, fan, and your chair, your books, you will say in English, like this is my book, chair, fan, bottle, this kind of way. And guys, first if you will learn first if you will learn grammar. So how can speak in English and how can say in English whatever you will see, how can say in English. Okay, so that is why I am telling you, first you need to learn vocabulary and after that you need to learn grammar. Okay, so guys, in this video I will give you 5 the most important vocabulary, and these kind of vocabulary I am telling you, and while talking you can use them. Okay, so guys, we have first word is what, and the second word is because, and the third is honestly, and the fourth probably, and the next word is honestly. Okay, this is your 5 word. Okay, so using these 5 word you have to speak, and you try to make sentences. First word is what in Hindi meaning किंतु परंतु. Okay, so if you want to say मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा पर मेरी एक शर्त है, मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा, आई विल हेल्प यू बट आई हैव अ कंडीशन. बट आई हैव अ कंडीशन, मैं आपकी मदद करूंगा बट मेरी एक कंडीशन है. तो बट का यूज आप कहाँ पर करते हो? द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ पर आप वहाँ जाओगे तो मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा. मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ, आई वॉन्ट टू गो देयर, बट अगर आप वहाँ जाओगे, बट इफ यू गो देयर, मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँगा, आई विल नॉट गो देयर. दिस काइंड ऑफ वे यू हैव टू स्पीक. मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ पर अगर आप क्रिकेट खेलोगे तो मैं क्रिकेट नहीं खेलूँगा. आई प्ले क्रिकेट बट इफ यू प्ले क्रिकेट आई विल नॉट प्ले क्रिकेट. दिस काइंड ऑफ यू हैव टू स्पीक. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज बिकॉज. बिकॉज इन हिंदी मीनिंग क्योंकि. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं फ्लुएंट स्पीकर बनना चाहता हूँ. आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर. मैं यहाँ हूँ क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें देखना चाहता था. आई एम हेयर बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू सी यू. मैं यहाँ हूँ क्योंकि वह मेरा दोस्त है. आई एम हेयर बिकॉज ही इज़ माई फ्रेंड. So this kind of way you have to see. First vocabulary and the most important daily use word you need to learn first, and after that you jump on grammar. Lot of grammar rules you have to learn. Okay, I want to share with you what is the most important things. Like आपके सबके साथ क्या होता है, जब भी किसी भी लैंग्वेज को आप सीखना स्टार्ट करते हो तो प्रॉब्लम वाइज यहाँ पर आती है कि पहले हमें क्या पढ़ना है. वोकेबुलरी को फर्स्ट, what you need to learn first, vocabulary, grammar, idioms, proverb, active passive, tense, modals, what you need to learn first. So I would share with you, I want to tell you, first you should learn vocabulary. Okay, regular 5 vocabulary you have to learn. I will meet next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.